Work centers are used for routing. Before creating work center, we need to create working hours setting. To add a new working hour to your organization, go to Settings menu under Manufacturing module from the left sidebar. Select Add Working Hour button on the top. In the Add Working Hour page, enter the name and hours per day. In the Working Hours table, enter the name, then double-click on the day of week and select a day, and then double-click on the day period to select morning or afternoon. Enter work from and work to for each time period of the day. I set up a 12 hours per day, so I allocate morning work from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., afternoon work from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. We can copy-paste for other time periods. Double-click on the start date and end date to select a day. In the Global Time Off table, choose a break period and enter a reason. When you're done, select Save. Next, go to Work Centers menu under Manufacturing module from the left sidebar. Select Add Work Center button on the top. In the Add Work Center page, enter the work center name and enter the code. Next, select the working hours. Enter the time efficiency. Currently, this field data is for storage only. And enter the cost of operating the work center for 1 hour. Enter the capacity, OEE target, %, time before prod, time after prod. Currently, these data are for storage only. Finally, enter the description and select Save. In the next video, I will show you how to create routing and operations.